Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku, a regular puzzle, and I've already solved one puzzle, so two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles in this newspaper, no additional. So only three of those puzzles I will do. I won't do anymore the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's puzzle or the day before, because those puzzles are too easy to solve. It's wasting my time, and I need also to upload to YouTube. So no extra puzzles. And yeah, it's today the 2nd of April the 2nd. Yes, Tuesday, 2024. And heard also not so good news, because there are 7 people killed in Gaza. Volunteers, yeah, 8 workers. They are working in a world central kitchen. Yeah, they're working there because the people in Gaza are starving, and they are killed. There was a strike of the Israelis. So it's a filthy war, filthy war. Can't understand. I cannot understand that they strike this and 7 people are killed. Yeah. It's a shame, shame them. Yeah. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzle. This one will be number 8291. 8291. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's indicated with 4 stars. Should be a 3 stars, because 3 stars puzzles has always 25 printed digits. Otherwise, it will be 24. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this a 4 stars puzzle, or is this a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? How about? Well, yeah, I need to think here. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only place level 2 should be there. Wow. Not easy. 7. Okay. Alright. How about? Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. I need a 8 here. This one is not easy. 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Wow. Come on. This is taking too long. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 8. Shoot, man, need 8 here then. Need 8. 7. Need a 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 there. Wow. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. Well, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and 5 in these two boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. So two numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and the 9. Okay, we have the 9 here. No 9, okay. Come on, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have 7 in one of those two boxes in the third row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So two numbers left in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. Okay. We have a pair, the 7 and a 9 in this column, last column, the 7 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Need a 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on. Need a 3, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 1 here. Alright. 7, 5, 8. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in the last column, so no 5 and 8 in these two boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there, so two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6 are missing here. So two numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? No. 1 and the 4. I hate to split those numbers. It's not inside a big square. The chance to make a mistake is higher, yeah. Well, we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row, so on the row above the only place level 6 should be there. Need 6 here, okay. Alright, and now 6, 7, 4, no. Yeah, need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Well. Need a 2 there. Well, we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Okay, need a 5 here. And I need... Yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. That means I need a 5 there. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, now only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Do we have all the 8s? And, oh, nope. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now I can count, and the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, and 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 in the last column should be there. Alright. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left the 1 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, the only place level 4, it should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there, need a 4 here. And I need a 4 here, so I need a 4 there, okay. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in these two boxes. 4 in the last row, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7 then. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, now only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 7. We have a 7 in this column, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Do we have all the 7s? And, the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the first one. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then let me see. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Whoa. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do the fix. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, regular puzzle. Yeah, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.